Hi, I'm Geneva Long, CEO of Bowlus, and today I'm going to show you our convection oven kitchen option and how it differs from our standard kitchen. So we'll get started. Again, this option is available on our Endless Highways. We'll get started showing you what the standard kitchen looks like, and then we'll pop over to what the convection oven kitchen looks like. So here we are in the standard kitchen, and the Luxe package adds these two upper shelves on either side as well as this drawer. So if you're selecting a base Endless Highways, those wouldn't be features. So I'm going to focus on what's different with the convection oven, which is below the countertop space. And so stainless steel countertops, great sink. This faucet also extends fairly far outside. You've got a microwave. The microwave can run off of the batteries, and then you have two deep storage drawers. I'm just gonna pull those out right here. So really great access. And then on the other side, you have your 12-volt fridge with freezer. Induction cooktop. And then we have the storage on both sides here. And now we'll jump over to the convection oven kitchen to show the difference. So now we're in the convection oven kitchen option. And so that difference is again below the countertop. So that's where we'll focus. You have the convection oven right here. And as you can see, it takes up more space than that microwave. So you do lose some storage in that you only have one drawer, but that drawer itself is deeper. So I'll just put my hand so you can see how deep that drawer is. So again, one drawer only, but a deeper drawer. And then on the other side, you still have that same 12-volt fridge with freezer. Convection oven on both kitchens. And then I will spin around. So this cabinet on the side of the fridge is the same size, but this cabinet on the other side is slightly smaller as well. And that's to accommodate, obviously, the larger convection oven. So that summarizes the difference between our standard kitchen and our convection oven kitchen. You can reach out to us at sales@bowlus.com or contact us at bowlus.com, and we're happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.